This was originally part of my last video, but that was kind of long, so now it's its own vid. Today I'm going to build my first custom keyboard. Hopefully it turns out pretty well. Okay, the inside looks kind of weird. How glorious. Okay. What's this? And it is test switches. And key puller. There's my power cable, I guess. Okay, I have 2 packs of Gadsden and red switches. I'll cut open the box. Okay. So there's a bunch of switches. We'll have to look at how many switches they have. But I've got a lot of switches now. Clearly it's what they meant. I guess that's another switch puller. And another switch puller. Okay, I'll build the keyboard. 1 key down and lots to go. Okay, the first row is done. Unless this counts as the first row still. Well, in case. When our first row is certainly done. Now do the second row. Alright, the second row is done. And yeah, I'll do the third row now. Okay, another row is done. I'll do this. That seems fine. I'll put this one in. And I'll start the next row. Alright, I'm up to the second bag. And there was a few of Ben's pins. Only like 2. But these 2 aren't going to fit in. And I probably could bend the pin to be making it fit properly. But like, that might not end well. So it's time for bag 2. Okay, that row is done. Okay, I finished that row. I'll do the final one. But I've got like 4 so far that have Ben's pins. I don't know what I'll do with these spare random switches. This does sound nicer than this. But overall, it's not that much about the ASMR. Okay, I'll just show it. Okay, this keyboard's built. I don't like these keys very much. They don't look very good. Okay, I flipped them and now they look better, but I still don't like it. I guess I'll plug in my keyboard and see if it works. Comes with a cable tie, I guess. Pretty long cable. I'll plug it into the back. Okay, I'm plugging it in. And it looks like this. And I don't like it. There's RGB on the side. I think I prefer my old keyboard. Sorry, I just realized my Dyson was on. But yeah, this is what the keyboard looks like. I don't like it, plus I think this key is upside down. If I turn this, it changes the audio, I guess. Like the volume. I know this keyboard software. Okay, I guess I should compare my keyboard ASMR sounds from my custom keyboard and my Razer Basilisk. I mean Razer Black Widow, Razer Basilisk Clear Freezer mouse. Guess I'll start with the Razer keyboard. Sounds so fancy and mechanical. Now I guess I'll do the sound test on this custom keyboard. It's a lot quieter. It's a lot less clicky and more tactile. I don't like the caps key being like this and the tab key being like that. But other than that, most of them look fine. Although I definitely prefer the look of these ones instead. Except they're not pudding keys, which these are, so they shine through better. Instead of picking one keyboard to use, I'll just use two keyboards. This one was like 300 to make custom or something. This one was like 200 something. And there's a random moth that broke into my room earlier. I guess I'll try and get it to leave with the Apple Pencil Pro. Where did it fly to? Oh, never mind. First person shooter, I hope they came with free switches. Well, I've got a lot more free switches. Because clearly all the rappers talk about keyboard switches. I even have random switches that don't match at all. I guess that's about all because there's not much content from just building a custom keyboard.